Good for you, Olivia Rodrigo. 2021's biggest pop star, who was the first winner of the night, made her VMA debut with an eye-catching red carpet outfit and performance. It's time for her big moment. She's had the biggest hits hit the airwaves in 2021, so it's no surprise that Olivia Rodrigo is one part of the incredible lineup set to hit the stage at the MTV Video Music Awards on September 13th. Arriving on the red carpet in style, Olivia opted for a long, strapless peachy pink gown for her first VMAs. She matched the gown with pink platform heels and these incredible bedazzled butterfly earrings that nestled beautifully in her long, brown hair. It's so exciting. The energy is incredible, Olivia said while being interviewed by MTV ahead of the show. Also before the show kicked off, she won her first Moonperson, and the first Moonperson of the night, for Best Push Performance of the Year. Teasing her first performance at the show, she promised that it would be super fun with tons of dancing and sparkles and maybe even a bit of flying. For her first ever performance at the show, Olivia didn't disappoint. Floating down from the ceiling, the California native appeared angelic as she touched down to the dimly lit stage. Guitar strings began soon after going into her smash hit single Good For You, which she energetically performed in a purple satin bustier dress with matching gloves. The audience belted all the lyrics from their seat as they clapped and danced along to the pop tune. Olivia ended the first song with a confetti explosion and flames of fire behind her, rapping with an epically fierce pose alongside her talented crew of dancers. She then smashed the camera lens, shocking fans on Twitter. Ahead of the show, MTV's official Instagram shared a little sneak peek of another glam outfit, posting just a Polaroid photo of lavender-colored satin gloves. She held her arms up to the sky in the image, which was followed up by a photo of a disco ball teasing her upcoming, and highly anticipated, performance. It's sure to be a big night for Olivia, who was crowned the first winner of the night. The teen walked away with Moonperson for her song Driver's License in the Push Performance of the Year category. Jennifer Lopez also presented her with the award for Song of the Year for Driver's License. "Oh my god, this is so insane," she gushed, thanking her fans. "This has been the most magical year of my life and it's all thanks to you guys. Thank you to everyone who helped me make Sour. I want to dedicate this award to all the other girls who write songs on their bedroom floors," she said through tears. "Congratulations, Olivia.